Hello everyone, Carson here, back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is November 26th, 2023. Let's start the hard puzzle. Alright, so what have we got? I think we've got the 7th. Yeah, we got the 7th. So in this box, 7 must go in column 8. And then these 7s, it places 7 in this box, it must go in column 7. These 7s make 7 go in column 6. These 7s, they point left. Alright, and then let's look at the 9s. This 9 points down, this 9 points left. So in this box, 9 has to go in column 1. These 9s point down. Okay, and then the 4s. These 4s, they point right. And then these 4s point up. Actually, in this box, because of these 4s, the digit 4 in this box, it has to go in row 1. So it eliminates all other 4s in the same row, places this 4 in this box. Alright. Guess we can look at the 6s. These 6s, they point right. These point up. These 8s, I guess, they point down. Okay, these ones, they point down. Alright, well, don't really see much, so I'm just gonna fill some columns and rows. In column 4, 1, 2, 5, and 8 are the digits that go in the cell. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5, 8. Oh, so all these 3 cells see another 8. So actually, in this column, this is the only cell that does not see an 8. So 8 must be placed here because it's still missing. So these point right. This also sees another 8. It is placed here in this box. And then these 8s and also this 8 forces the 8 into this cell for this box. And also these 8s force 8 here. These point down, 8 here, and I think 8s, yeah, 8s are done. 8s are done for the puzzle, so don't have to worry about that anymore. And then after I place these 8s, we can place the 7 and 4 there, because I eliminated one of the 2 options for these digits, so the remaining one has to be, that remaining cell has to go, that remaining cell with the digit inside it has to be placed there. Alright. Yeah, these fours, they point down. Okay, after I place the 7, you can see all these 7s, all these cells in column 3 see another 7. So in column 3, 7s has to go up here. So that also eliminates all other 7s from the box. Okay, in row 3, 2, 3, and 6 are the digits that go in the cells. Oops. Okay, in box 5, 1, 2, and 5 are the digits that go in the cells. So 1 has to go down here. These point left, 1 in one of these 2 cells. Okay, this 2, it points right. So in this box, 2 has to go in column 6. That eliminates all other 2s in the same column. So as you can see in row 3, these 2 can't be 2s anymore. So 2 has to go here. These 2s, they point down. This cell also sees another 2. 2 is placed here and here. So 1 is taken out in this box. It must be placed here, as it is the last possible cell to be in. Alright, and then that makes this a 5. These 5s, they point up. 5 goes in one of these 2 cells. And this forms a 5-6 pair because both 5 and 6 must go in one of these 2 cells. So 2 digits for 2 cells. None other digits can go in those cells. So this can't be a 3. That makes this a 3. This a 6, this a 5. Actually, what am I talking about? 5 couldn't be here from the very beginning. Because it sees this one. So instead of doing this pair thingy, I could have just said, oh, these 5s and this 5. Okay, these 5s and these 5s, they force a 5 into this cell. So 6 must go here, and then 3 must go here. Yeah, alright. Didn't have to explain this pair thingy. In this box, 3, 7, and 9. This box, okay, these 2 cells see this 1. So 1 in this box has to go there. These 2 cells are for 3 and 9. For this column as well, 3 and 9. And then these in this column 3, 5, and 9. Row 4, 2, 3, and 5. Both of these 2 cells see another 3. So 3 in this row, it must be placed here. And this sees a 2. So these are done. Okay, so these 2s, put a 2 in one of these 2, that forms a 2, 4 pair. Both 2 and 4 must be placed in one of these 2 digits. These 2, both 2 and 4, it must be placed in one of the same 2 cells. So yeah, this is a 2, 4 pair. None of the digits can go in these 2 cells. So these 3 are for 1, 6, and 7. And this can't be 6. Can this be 7? No, it can't, because I found out earlier. Alright. These are for 1, 3, and 9. Okay, in column 3, the digits that go in the cells are 1, 6, 7, and 9. The cell sees 1, 6, and 7, so it must be 9. Because that cell... Oh my goodness, my scroll's not working. Okay. Because this cell, it sees every other digit than 9. So it can't be any digit from 1 to 8. It must be 9. So it must be placed here. 1, 6, and 7 for the remaining, for this remaining cell. And then these 4 cells in this box are for 1, 2, 7, and 9. So 2 must go down here, 1 goes here. 7, I think 7 can go in any of them. 9 goes here. Column 7, 3, 6, 7, and 9. This cell sees 6, 7, and 9. So again, this cell sees every other digit than 3. So 3 must be placed there. Wait, this can't be a 3 from the very beginning. Sorry for that. This can't be a 5, because after I place this 5, it's eliminated from the cell. Oh yeah, after I place this 5, 5 is forced into the cell. Because of that. Alright. And then 6, 7, and 9 for these. Row 7. 4 and 5 are the digits that go in the cells. This C is a 5, so 4 and 5 in this order. This 4 places the 2 and 4. And these 4s, they point right. Okay, 4s are done. This 2, it points down, so 2, this is the only cell left for 2. 2s are done as well. This is 6 or 9. This is a pair of 6 and 7, this is C6. So that's resolved. Okay, I don't think I'll have to explain this anymore. It's just very basic Sudoku rules. 7 here, it points down, so 7 must go here. This 6. I've got a runny nose, I'm sorry. 1 and 5. Go in this order. Oh, whoops, this is a 6. Okay, so I finished today's heart puzzle in 13 minutes. So I'll take that. Don't really remember any really difficult spots to see. I mean, I don't think this puzzle was really that difficult, so yeah, it's just kind of straightforward. You just have to spot all the pairs and triples. And oh, yeah, this puzzle, there were quite a few singles, so yeah, there were a few cells which see every other digit than a certain digit, so that's where you need to pay attention to. Because just by normal scanning, you can't really get that digit placed. But when you really focus on that row or column, you'll find out that a certain digit sees 8 of the 9 digits, so the remaining digit it doesn't see has to go in that cell. So be aware of those singles. Alright. So I think that's appearing more in this puzzle. So you're gonna, hopefully you didn't struggle on that. Even if you did, hopefully this video helped. So yeah, I'm gonna end today's video here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching my series. Today is November 26th, 2023. I'll see you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hard Sudoku. Bye!